The old turbo mower. Toro wheel horse. Stock 12 horsepower. Kohler. The old Magnum 12. The old Magnum brothers, you know. The old turbo wheel horse. With the old stock Kohler Magnum 12. The old Magnum brothers, don't you know? Dually tires. Custom winch on the back. 3,500 pound winch. Garrett turbo off of a Buick Regal or something like that. Can't quite remember what it was off of. It's baby Garrett. I know I gotta get an air filter on it. Don't get after me. Like a 4-inch up pipe. Just straight into a stack. Thing's freaking sick. And boy, don't the turbo talk. It freaking talks. This is it.